And Jeffrey is back. And what neighbor has been feeding him? It's so weird. Look at that. Now he's going under my friend's Volkswagen bus. Hi, Jeffrey. I saw him down the street like a few hours ago. I walked down to pet him, and I recorded a video of it, but then I had a really, really bad migraine for a few hours, and I am now up and kind of walking, and Jeffrey is up underneath my friend's Volkswagen bus, and now he is in the middle of the road, rolling in it. Well, it's nice that you came back. Maybe it's for a visit.
Jeffrey?
Yeah, that's Jeffrey. Like, we haven't seen him in like a year.
Hi, Jeffrey. Nice to see you again.
Don't chase him away.
Hey, Jeffrey. It's Jeffrey.
It is Jeffrey. It's Roundabout's only kitten. And since Roundabout died, this is her uncle.
Oh, there he goes.
Whoa.